Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Actually, extracellular fluid, extracellular fluid is more than intracellular fluid in the newborns. Whereas by 3 months of age, extracellular fluid will be equal to intracellular fluid. Here, both extracellular fluid and intracellular fluid are equal at 3 months of age. Then, after 3 months of age, after 3 months of age, intracellular fluid more than extracellular fluid. Okay, so this is important.
thank you and thank you for watching.